guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Soumya aka Pretty Paperback, and today we are going to unbox this pretty package that I have received from Factor Notes, and I'm very excited to unbox this with you. Before unboxing the 2024 journal, I also want to share it with you that I bought this 2023 journal in which comes in this pretty box from them last year, and I am not a journal so I'm not a very journal enthusiast person. Before 2023 I used to think that journaling is something which is a waste of money and time, but when I actually started doing it, I realized that we should journal more often. Before unboxing this planner, I also want to remind you guys that I will always stay transparent with you. My reviews are always going to be honest, because I know that if you are watching this video and if you decide to order this box after watching my video, you will be spending a hard earned money into something that I have recommended, and that is the reason I want to stay transparent, and that is the reason I'll stay honest with you guys always. Without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing of this beautiful box.